Ito na, nakakuha na yung 226,000 pesos.
Ang lucky Dexter winner natin ay si...
Okay, congratulations again to our winner. Thank you very much. Ating mga sponsors, Dr. John Seneca, Dr. Sherwin Montenegro, Dr. Catherine Azores of Janssen Cosmetic Surgery, Skin and Varicose Vein Treatment Center. Thank you, Aeromed. Nakabantay, baka mamaya himatayan sila. Next week, ang jackpot pot natin, nagkakalaga. Balik ulit tayo sa 10,000 pesos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Congratulations. Eh, sino ba sila? Ito mga nagsipasukan na to. Kasama, ito mukhang bago pala nag-gym. Okay, thank you very much again to Arnelli's Pizza and to Creative Hair Systems, 7261947. Maraming salamat, Dr. Kalayan. Thank you very much. Gold's Gym, thank you. And basta Yamaha Norquist. Salamat. Oh, kayo naman.
Okay, iRobot. Every Saturday, 7 to 8. Thank you very much, Joey Benaflor of Eurasia.
Oh, Jaya.
Dr. Vicky Bello, Ideal Vision sa SMCP.
Ideal Vision, thank you.
Yes, at All-Star K, the 1 million peso video can check it every Sunday, SOP and Pinoy Pop Superstar.
Yes!
Magic 89.9 Monday to Thursday, 6 to 9 a.m. Sana
Yes, Magic 89.9. Okay.
Ako po, syempre nauna.
Oh.
Tapos, iRobot po sa QTV 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every Saturday po yan. SOP po, at thank you po sa Flawless, kay Dr. Vicky Bello. Bonjour, Skechers, saka...
Dami.
No curfew! Thank you, Dr. Ver.
Oh, dami. Oh, ito, Vivo na naman yan.
Hi, Vivo.
Ay!